CVAC stock, Curevac stock. CVAC stock almost quadrupled its stock price within 1 day. So, is CVAC stock a buy? Subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. CVAC stock. So let's learn a little bit more about the company. So it was founded in 2000 and the headquarters is in Tübingen, Germany. It has, according to LinkedIn, about 200 to 500 employees. And it is a biomedical company developing new drugs for new diseases like the current virus. So let's have a quick look at the stock performance real quick. So it started, as you can see, yesterday, the 14th of August 2020. The IPO, so the stock price started with $16. And as you can see here, it went up all the way to $55.55. So almost $56. So it looks very promising here. So it doesn't mention here the market cap, etc. So let's have a quick look at the stock news 2020. So this CVAC stock is backed by Bill Gates. So it sounds very promising, and yesterday it could raise during the IPO about over 200 million US dollars, and it plans to release the drug, to produce the drug next year, roughly about mid of next year.